Josh. I'm the president of Rainy Day Restoration Roofing.
I'm John. I'm the vice president of Rainy Day
Yeah,
Restoration.
you are. So, and we just want to take a minute and tell you about our company. We started back in 1999. Remember that?
Long time ago, as a baby.
Yes, you were.
We've been in business for over 20 years. We specialize in roofing, which is Josh's division. I don't like to get on roofs, but he does.
And John runs our water mitigation and fire restoration side of business, as well as the mold remediation.
I like the dirty stuff. It's fun. So when you hire us, we've got a ton of experience. We're licensed, we're insured, and we offer the greatest quality service we can give you and great quality equipment.
That's right. We're also available 24/7. So we work Christmas, Christmas Eve, all the holidays, all the weekends. So whether it's raining outside or raining inside, give us a call and we can help you out. If you have any questions, we're always available for you.
And we'll always try to smile.